So today's topic is the protein. So here, protein, as we know, this is the polymer of amino acid. That means the there are 20 amino acids that are naturally found, and these 20 amino acids are act as monomer that form the polymer, and which polymer is called the protein. So here, if these are the monomer of amino acid, and this monomer attached, and therefore they finally form the polymer, and this polymer is basically the protein structure. So why we need the protein in our body or a particular individual? Basically, these protein are involved in the process of metabolism and in the form of enzymes and hormones. So the metabolic process leads to the growth and reproduction. So without metabolic process, this growth and reproduction of an individual is impossible. And protein take part a great role in the metabolic process in the form of enzymes and hormones, and therefore the protein is an important part in our life. Now here, how the amino acid that are joined and form the protein structure. So basically, this is a amino acid here, and this is another amino acid here. Now, the COH group is written as breaking the bond, like the carbon atom, carboxyl. Here, the carboxyl group having a C double bond O attached with it and a hydroxyl group attached with it. And again, in case of the amino group or the NH2 group, the two hydrogen atom that are attached to the nitrogen of the amino group. Now, here the hydroxyl group of the carboxyl group that bond with the hydrogen atom of the amino group and therefore form the H2O molecule, and which released. And finally, the carboxyl group containing C that directly bond with the amino group nitrogen and finally forms a bond. This bond is called the peptide bond, and therefore these two amino acids are attached and finally form a peptide. So this, when these two amino acids that are attached, this structure is called the peptide. And here the two amino acids are attached by a bond. This is bond is called the peptide bond. Now when the two amino acids are attached, this is termed as the dipeptide. When there is 3 to 9 amino acids are attached, this form the oligopeptide. If there is more than 10 amino acids, this is termed as polypeptide. Now this polypeptide, like that form the protein structure, where this structure having approx 30 to 50 amino acids. So basically the peptide having more than 30 or 50 amino acids, this form the protein structure. For a particular protein structure, two important facts is necessary. One is that the protein structure must be folded and form a 3D structure, and this protein structure must be biologically functional. So today's topic is the protein. So